Hello guys, today we'll be learning how to start a snap streak with someone on your friends list in Snapchat. So let's get started. Open your Snapchat app and click on the camera button. You will click a picture, and after you've done that, you can start writing on top of the pictures. There are text options, drawing options, stickers, trims, music, and you can start by writing on this picture. I've written 12, and there are many options like sticker as well. But I will not be adding any stickers to this picture, so I write again with the pen app. I can also add a text, and I've written streak here. You can write whatever you want, and after that you can send it to the person you want to start a streak with. I've sent it to one of my friends, and you can also send it to multiple people, but I just want to start a streak with one of my friends, so I've just sent to only one. After that, you'll be redirected to your homepage where your message will be delivered like this. Make sure that your other person also sends you a picture so that a streak can be created. Only you sending a picture will not create a streak. And hope this helps, and see you in the next video.